Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Toby, your trusted real estate expert in the gorgeous Georgia mountains. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 10 features buyers are seeking in their next home. Whether you're planning to sell and wondering how to boost your home's appeal, or you're on the buyer's side and need to streamline your priorities, this list will come in handy. Number 1, location. As the old saying goes in real estate, it's all about location, location, location. Buyers usually look for a home that's close to their work, good schools, amenities like shops and restaurants, and major transport links. Number 2, updated kitchen. The kitchen often serves as the heart of the home. An updated kitchen with modern appliances, quality countertops, and plenty of storage space is a top priority for many buyers. Number 3, modern bathrooms. Bathrooms are another key area. Buyers often look for homes with clean, updated bathrooms. A master bathroom is especially desirable. Number 4, open floor plan. Today's buyers often prefer an open floor plan where the kitchen, dining, and living areas flow into one another. This type of layout tends to make the home feel more spacious and is great for entertaining. Number 5, outdoor space. A private outdoor space such as a backyard or a patio is a big draw. It provides an area for relaxation, dining, and entertainment. Number 6, home office. With more people working from home, a dedicated home office space has become a must-have for many buyers. Number 7, energy efficiency. Energy-efficient homes are increasingly in demand. Features like double-pane windows, modern HVAC systems, and solar panels can attract environmentally conscious buyers and also result in significant savings in utility bills. Number 8, storage space. Plenty of closets throughout the house is a big plus for most buyers. Number 9, low maintenance. Many buyers look for homes that require little maintenance. Newer homes or homes with recently updated systems are particularly attractive. Number 10, technology. Smart home features like programmable thermostats, security systems, and advanced appliances are becoming increasingly popular. Remember, every buyer is unique and may have different priorities, but these top 10 features can provide a solid starting point when considering buying or selling a home. I hope you found this video helpful. Please leave a comment below and let me know what features you think are the most important. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel for more real estate advice and insights. Thanks for watching and dare to dream big.